You know, for any chef, the kitchen counter is a sacred space. Cleaning is an absolute requirement, but only cleaning is not enough. Our kitchen needs disinfection too. So to help me with that, I have the Savlon spray and wipe. Now this is a multi-purpose disinfectant and cleaner that I'm going to use both before and after cooking to clean my kitchen counter, the stove and microwave to ensure that my cooking space is protected from germs and is also sparkling clean. So now let's quickly spray and wipe the kitchen counter and stove before I quickly move on to making super yummy drums of heaven. Think of drums of heaven as an extra special version of chicken lollipop. First, we're going to marinate the chicken, then batter coat and fry it, and then toss it in a really yummy sauce. So let's first start with the marination. I've got 500 grams of chicken lollipops here. To this, I'm first going to add some light soy sauce, about a tablespoon, some finely minced ginger, finely minced garlic, little bit of black pepper powder, some plain vinegar, and because I've used vinegar and light soy sauce, I'm also going to add a tiny pinch of salt, not too much. Clean hands, I'm going to dive in and just make sure that the chicken is completely coated in this marinade. Now let this marinate for anywhere between 30 minutes to 1 hour, and I'm going to move on to making the batter. And now to make the batter, the first thing I'm going to add is some all-purpose flour or maida, some corn flour or cornstarch, and I like to add just a little bit of rice flour for that extra crunchiness. Add a little bit of salt, not too much. Now to get that red color without any artificial food color, I'm going to add some red chili powder. Take a good amount of it, little more than 1 teaspoon. And a tiny amount of some garlic powder. Just whisk that together. Now I'm just going to crack open an egg into this. Mix that through. Now if the consistency turns out like this, add just a splash of water to make it only slightly thinner. We don't need a very thin batter. Now all in one go, I'm just going to add the marinated chicken lollipops to this batter to coat it completely. Time to deep fry, and the oil in this wok has heated up, so I'm just going to fry a few of these lollipops. Oil is on a low flame when I drop these in. So for about 5 or 6 minutes, I've fried these on a high to low flame, turning them around every now and then, and now they've got a beautiful golden color. So this batch is ready to be drained onto a paper towel. Just look at that. Now that's our second batch also fried. We are one lip-smacking sauce away from turning these lollipops into drums of heaven. First thing in for the sauce will be some oil. Use regular vegetable oil. I need to fry onions, so I need a little bit extra oil. Next in will be some onion, finely chopped, half an onion. I'm looking to saute these, but I don't want them to brown. The onions are translucent, so now I'm going to add some finely minced garlic and finely minced ginger. Saute that till the raw aroma goes away. Now I'm going to add some pepper, some red chili powder. Saute that in. Now is going to be a bunch of sauces. The first one is some red chili sauce. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. For that hint of sweetness, some tomato ketchup and a little bit of light soy sauce. Just stir these in. Next in is some chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock as well. Just about a few tablespoons. Stir that in. Let it mix really well with the sauces that we've already added. Now to this bubbling sauce, I'm going to add a corn flour slurry to thicken it up. Stir it in. Just add that in. Immediately stir it in and also take the flame up to high so that the sauce thickens. Now at this stage, if your chicken stock was already not salty enough, you can check to see if you want to add some more salt. Now to this bubbling sauce, I'm going to add our prepared chicken lollipops and coat them in the sauce completely. Just look at these. Don't you feel like grabbing them right away? I definitely do, but before that, my kitchen counter needs another round of cleaning and disinfection with Savlon spray and wipe. This step is a must not only before and after you cook, but also before and after you eat. Just a super convenient way to make all surfaces safer from kitchen to dining table. And for more such lip-smacking recipes, stay tuned to Get Curried.